Hello friends, welcome back to the Lazy Diaries. Today I will be reviewing the Lakme Gel Makeup Remover which is from their 9 to 5 natural range. There are many products available in this range and this gel makeup remover is an addition to the existing range. Lakme claims that it has pure aloe vera in it and aloe vera is very beneficial for our skin. So this is a very good point. This makeup remover is a very small tube. So you can say that this is a very travel friendly size. Honestly, I was expecting a little bigger bottle. But anyways, this product, it claims that it melts away all long wear lip, eye and face makeup. Before moving further in the video, to test this makeup remover gel, first let me apply some makeup on my hands. So I have two products with me. One is the Lakme liquid lipstick which is the matte milk liquid lip color and the second one is Plum Kajal, Nature Studio Kajal. So here I have applied this kajal and here this is the liquid lipstick. Now let me dry this liquid lipstick and let's talk about the product in details. This is a 50 ml tube and it retails for rupees 175. The shelf life of this product is for 3 years. About this product, Lakme says that it is enriched with 100% pure aloe vera that wipes away even the long stay makeup, dirt, pollution and impurities in few seconds. This is a non-greasy formula. This is easy to apply and leaves the skin soft and smooth. To use this gel makeup remover, apply a small amount on your face and gently rub all over your makeup and then wipe it off with a cotton wipe. It has a mild fragrance to it which is typical to all the natural range. So the fragrance is very mild and it's not at all irritating. Now let me show you the consistency of this product. So this is a flip cap and this is the consistency of this product. It is a white color product unlike all the other gel based products which are transparent. So I can see that this lipstick, it has dried down. So now let me apply it on this lipstick and kajal and see that it melts down the makeup or not. See how instantly it melts down all the makeup. All the makeup is coming out. See. Now I will remove it with a cotton wipe. So I have taken a cotton pad and here all the makeup. So as you can see that how nicely it has removed all the makeup from my hands. Yes. After I use this product, I can feel that it has a little bit of oily feeling on my face. Some people may say that this is a moisturizing product, so the skin feels moisturized. But personally, I don't like that oiliness on my face. And I just wash my face with water after using this product. It definitely removes all the makeup but leaves behind an oily skin, which I personally don't like. Otherwise, this is a good product. The packaging is small and handy, and as this is a gel based product in such a tube packaging, while when you are traveling, you can be sure that this product will not come out on its own. The price rupees 175 for 50 ml of product is bit pricey. It should be somewhere around 125. But overall this is a nice product. If you want, you can definitely try out this product. So this was the video guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and press the bell icon so that you may get notified each time when I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.